bakit po kailangan mag-register? Yun kasi yung usual na question
Hmm.
eh. Meron silang nakapag-register na sila pero hindi nila ma-generate yung seal of registration. Ano po ba yung dapat nilang gawin? May penalties po ba yun?
Yes, of course. You are safe here. Trust us.
Meron tayong tatlong threshold para kung sino yung kung pwedeng mag-register.
Gamit lang ng gamit ng internet but they do not know the responsibilities that come with it.
So once the data subject can scan the QR code,
Oo, masyadong maliit.
And then I will unleash upon you the full wrath and might. I have a gift for you.
Sige.
Ginawan kita ng jingle.
Sige.
Abangan ang lahat ng yan sa Privacy in the Spotlight.
It is our policy ensuring data privacy.